Hi guys, this is my Audi TT Roadster Cabrio. I love this car, but there is one problem. I noticed scratches on my car door and it looks like it happened when someone opened the car door in the parking lot, as it often happens. I often drive alone, so I'm not sure if it was me or my passenger who did it. I suspect this happened to the previous owner of the car. But today I want to fix this problem. What would you do to solve this case? Leave a comment and tell us what you think. So I bought various car door bumpers to protect the end of my car door. There are black carbon adhesive stickers, gray carbon adhesive stickers, clear and black non-adhesive pads. Let's check which ones are the best for my Audi. This is a clear pad and this is what it looks like. In my opinion, it looks simple and cheap. This is better fits for a white car, and what do you think? And this is a black pad, and check how it looks on the car door. I believe this pad looks better, but is still cheap and simple. This is a black carbon style adhesive sticker, and check how it will look on my car. This black carbon style decal looks much better, but let's take a look at how another light carbon style decal would look. In my opinion, this light carbon style decal looks the best of the four. And how do you think? So before you start gluing this car door protection, you need to clean the surface from dirt and dust, and also degrease the surface. For this, I use vodka mixed with liquid soap. Next, you need to warm the surface to dry it from alcohol and soap and heat it for better gluing. I strongly recommend that you also heat up your decal, as this will make it more flexible and can be shaped into a car door, especially if the line of your car door is not straight but slightly curved or concave like my car door line. Next, you need to remove the protective film from the adhesive side of your decal. Figure out where to stick your decal and apply the decal to the edge of your car. Next, you better stick your sticker with firm pressure. You also need to consistently heat your sticker so that the glue on the surface of the sticker melts and bonds the two surfaces together even better. I recommend that you determine the placement of your sticker to accurately repeat all the distances when you apply the sticker to another part of your car. And now you need to repeat all these actions for the other doors of your car. So why did I choose the grey carbon style decal? Let's see. The fact is that the wheels of my Audi are grey. There is also a grey aluminum sticker on the front fender of the car, and also the lid of the tank is made in grey color. I believe that in this case the grey color of the sticker is the most suitable and fits into the general exterior of the car. What do you think about it? By the way, I have selected for you some car door bumpers on Amazon. You can check the link below this video and get 5% discount as well. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching and see you soon.